Okidoki, maulang umaga mga kabengweng. So welcome to Mr. Yohani Pub Shop. Alright, so ito yung ating unit na Lancer Tactical LT12 color tan. So may BBs yan, BBs na .20 camo type yung magazine, 300 rounds. May battery and charger na po yan, may cleaning rod. Alright, so declip po yung kanyang front sight tsaka rear sight na declip. Alright, so crown check po tayo. Alright, thank you po Sir Benji Tagulaw. Alright, so yung kanya selector ay safety, semi-auto, then full auto. Alright, again always safety, toy only. So crown check po tayo. Single fire. Kamot. Alright, crown check. .378.2, 378.4, 380.9. So full all tayo. Yan, 379.9. RPS nya ay 12. Alright, so test fire. Alright, thank you. Lancer Tactical LT12 color tan. Alright, thank you.